Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, is there any relation between free will and being ego?
Free will and?
Being ego, like this ego
Being.
is my, yeah, you explained that being ego.
See, being is a faculty of the soul. Free will exercises egoing as per your free will. Just like you say, your free will can act on your thinking. Should I think or not? This one can act. I can choose to think nonsense or to think about Prabhupada and Krishna. Free will you apply. Right? Go one step up. Thinking, feeling, willing, go on step up. Similarly, desiring also. Sometimes you can experience, no? I will desire this or I won't desire this. So if free will is operating on desiring, free will is operating on thinking, free will can operate on all these things. At the highest level where the free will can operate is in being. So if you catch your free will at that point, apply there, most of the times we don't apply there. We apply only in, oh, I should not desire this. When you say, I should not desire this, but your ego-ing, that means the ego that you have formed, who makes the desire, is still alive there. Just like you want to stop smoking, you try to stop smoking. You try to stop the desire for smoking, this thing, everything, but again you fail. Why? What was the first creation? Desire or? The smoker. The smoker ego was the first fellow. Your smoking began with being a smoker. Somebody told, oh, very nice, your social prestige. You didn't even taste or anything. Oh, hey, your friend will say, hey, you don't know smoking. Hey, you're not done. No. I smoke, my father's cigarette, I smoke. No. So by association, you adopt egoing. The hero in the movie is smoking. And I love that hero. So I love his smoking also. Unguarded, we are all kids. And gets into us, into our system. Smoking is nice. Smoking is success. Smoking is this, smoking is that, smoking is social prestige. Very often when we are kids, we are thinking, when I will become adult? Right? When I will become adult? So generally what most of the adults do, if you do it, you feel, I am becoming adult. My father smokes, now I have started, I will smoke. Go into the science of it. So what is it that you are creating? You are creating a false ego in you. Multiple false egos are created in our system, our chittam. The common thing about those false egos is that I am independent enjoyer. Krishna is not in the picture at all. Like that, thousands of fellows are sitting inside us. So unless, for some reason, very deep reason, the person says, there are cases where people 50, 60 years after, at the age of 60, after 20, 30 years of smoking, in one day they have stopped. When they get a scare of their life, such a heart attack, everything, it came to such a level. Fear. I don't want to smoke. I don't want to be a smoker. वो बी आ गया उधर, डर गया. Immediately habit lost. You have created in your mind a persona of fear of being a smoker. So we also have to create a fear of Maya. Being a karmi, being a fruity worker, being a sense enjoyer, should develop that disgust. This all happens. When you read Prabhupada's books, all these things, slowly it is happening. Just like I told in real life, how a hero in the cinema, and then you adopt, oh, this is good, that is bad. Carelessly it has entered your system and created false egos. Now you go on reading Prabhupada's book, real egos will be created. Servant egos. I am servant of Vaishnavas, I am servant of this situation in service of Krishna, I am servant of this, I am servant of that. Everything, all role play you will do as a servant. I am a servant businessman, I am a servant housewife, I am a servant doctor, I am a servant. Servant mood. Servant mood, yajnartha karpana. Servant of Vishnu for every act that I am doing. Okay?
Thank you.
So desire should be killed with the desirer. But only if you know, if you observe that desirer, then only you can fear him.